Hello again and welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is for a really quick and easy poppy. It's only got 2 petals, so it does crochet up pretty quickly. I'm using a double knit yarn. I'm using a 4.5mm hook. We're going to start with a chain. So we slip knot onto the hook and then we're going to chain 4. So we've got 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then we're just going to join into that first chain to create a ring that we're going to work into. So into this ring we're going to need 8 double crochets. So the first stitch, as always, is going to be just a chain 3. So we've got the chain 3 there, and then I'm going to work another 7 doubles into that same ring. So a double, and we're working in US terms, is yarn over into the circle, pick up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 once, pull through 2 twice. So we've now in effect got 3 stitches in there. I'm just going to carry on until we've got 8. You're only going to need the 2 colours as well, the black for the centre and the red for the actual poppy petals. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. I'm going to join into the top of that 3rd chain that was our first stitch. I'm going to pull the tail of the yarn tight so that we've got a complete centre here without a hole in the middle there. Once we've formed our middle, we're just going to snip off the tail of the yarn and pull it through that last stitch. So there we've got the centre of our poppy. I'm going to join in with the red yarn, and again you can use any yarn at all, any brand of yarn, as long as it's black and red, unless you're making the animal poppies, the remembrance ones that are for the animals, which I believe are purple. So in that case you would swap at this point to the purple yarn rather than using the red. So again I'm going to slip knot onto the hook, and I'm going to start with a standing half double into any of the chains, and that forms the first stitch. So now into that same stitch I'm going to work a double, and then I'm going to work a double into the next stitch and a second double again into that same place. We're going to do this 4 times. So there's the 3rd, and then on the 4th one we again do the 2. I'm going to flip over and we're going to work into each of these 8 stitches now. We've got 8 because we've done 2 stitches into each one. So the first one I'm going to work 2 chain and then a double into that same stitch. I'm going to do 2 doubles into the next stitch. Just have to excuse me 1 second, I seem to have a bit of a knot in the yarn. I do apologise about that. Right, we'll carry on. So we've got 2 stitches in that first stitch. I'm now going to work 2 stitches in each of the stitches along this row. So into the 3rd stitch there and work 2. and again into the next one. Come to the last 2 stitches. I'm going to work 2 into the second to last one, and then I'm going to come down into that half double that we did at the beginning, and I'm going to work a half double into there. So a half double is into the stitch, yarn over, sorry, into the stitch, pick up a loop, yarn over, and we pull through all 3. And then I'm going to come down into the next stitch and just join there with a slip stitch. So we've got the first half of the poppy there. So for the next 4 stitches that we've got, because we had 8 in the black, we're going to work 3 trebles into each of these stitches. So the first stitch on this one here will be 4 chain, and that's going to count as the first stitch. So we've got the 4 chain there. We're going to do 2 more trebles. So a treble is wrap around twice into the stitch, pick up a loop, pull through once, yarn over, pull through 2 twice, yarn over, pull through 2 3 times, making it a treble. And then we're going to do the same all the way along the next 3 stitches. So we've got the first treble, we're going to do a second treble and a third one, and then again the same into the next stitch. So we've got 1, 2 and 3. We've just got one stitch left now that we're going to work the last 3 trebles into here. So we've got 1, 2 and 3. And then to neaten off the edge, I'm going to do a half double into the space where the first stitch was, where we started with the 4 sets of 2 doubles. So just yarn over and pull through to work that last half double. So there we've got a very quick poppy. Again, if you want to leave a nice long length before we fasten off the stitch, and we'll work in the ends of the black at the back there, and then if you want to use it to pin onto a garment, I would use one of these little brooch pins. So you can use the red yarn that you've left the long tail or the black to just stitch this on, and then you'll be able to pin it onto a garment. So there we've got our very quick and easy poppy in red and black. Thank you for watching the video. I do hope to see you again soon, and subscribe, like the video, and we'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.